Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for taking time to visit us. This is part 2 of our series on the fastest way to defog car windows. In this segment, we'll continue our discussion on maintaining clear visibility in your vehicle, especially during challenging weather conditions. We'll explore additional techniques and insights to help you combat foggy windows effectively. If you're ready to learn more, let's dive right in. Quick fixes for defogging car windows. When you find your car windows fogged up on a chilly morning or a rainy day, it can be quite frustrating. Not only does it obstruct your view, but it can also compromise your safety while driving. Fortunately, there are quick fixes you can utilize to defog your car windows and get back on the road with clarity. In this section, we will explore 3 effective methods. Utilizing the defrost setting, opening windows slightly for air circulation, and using a microfiber cloth for immediate clearing. Utilizing the defrost setting. One of the quickest and most convenient ways to defog your car windows is by utilizing the defrost setting on your vehicle's heating system. This feature is specifically designed to clear foggy windows and windshields efficiently. Here's how to use it effectively. Start your car and turn on the engine. Locate the defrost setting on your car's heating controls. Set the temperature to the maximum heat level. Adjust the airflow direction to the windshield. Activate the air conditioning, if available, to dehumidify the air. Let the defrost setting run for a few minutes until the fog begins to clear. By utilizing the defrost setting, you can quickly and effectively remove the fog from your car windows, ensuring optimal visibility before you hit the road. Opening windows slightly for air circulation. Another simple yet effective method to defog your car windows is by opening them slightly to allow for better air circulation. This technique helps to reduce the humidity inside your car, which often contributes to window fogging. Here's what you should do. Roll down 1 or 2 windows about an inch. Switch on the ventilation system to allow fresh air to circulate. Position the air vents towards the windows. Let the air flow for a few minutes to help dissipate the moisture. By opening your windows slightly and allowing fresh air to circulate, you can minimize condensation and promote faster defogging of your car windows. Using a microfiber cloth for immediate clearing. If you need an immediate solution to clear your foggy car windows, a microfiber cloth can come in handy. This material is excellent for absorbing moisture and leaving your windows clean and clear. Here's how to use it effectively. Keep a microfiber cloth within reach in your car. When your windows fog up, pull over to a safe location. Take the microfiber cloth and wipe the inside of the windows gently. The microfiber cloth will absorb the moisture and leave your car windows free from fog, allowing you to continue your journey with clear visibility. Remember, while these quick fixes are effective in defogging your car windows, it's crucial to address the underlying cause of the fog to prevent it from recurring. By following these methods, you can ensure a safe and comfortable driving experience even in challenging weather conditions. Tips for preventing foggy car windows. Foggy car windows can be a major inconvenience, obstructing your visibility and making driving hazardous. Luckily, there are several simple yet effective tips to help prevent fogging and ensure clear windows while on the road. By following these recommendations, you can maintain a safe and comfortable driving experience. Using anti-fog solutions. One effective way to prevent foggy car windows is by using anti-fog solutions. These solutions are designed to create a thin film on the surface of the glass, preventing condensation from forming. They work by reducing the surface tension of the water molecules, preventing them from clustering together and forming fog. When applying an anti-fog solution to your car windows, make sure to clean the glass thoroughly first. Apply the solution according to the manufacturer's instructions, using a clean and lint-free cloth. By treating your windows with an anti-fog solution, you can significantly reduce the chances of fogging, even in humid or cold weather conditions. Keeping the interior dry. Another effective way to prevent foggy car windows is by keeping the interior of your vehicle dry. Excess moisture inside the car can contribute to fogging, especially when the temperature inside the vehicle is different from the outside. To keep the interior dry, make sure to dry off any wet items, such as umbrellas or clothing, before placing them inside the car. Additionally, use floor mats to trap moisture from wet shoes or boots. If possible, use a dehumidifier or place moisture-absorbing products, such as silica gel packets or activated charcoal, inside the car to remove excess moisture from the air. Using sunshades or window tints. Using sunshades or window tints can also help prevent foggy car windows. Sunshades help to block direct sunlight, which can heat up the interior of your car and create condensation when it comes into contact with cooler window surfaces. They also provide an additional layer of insulation, reducing the temperature difference between the inside and outside of the vehicle. Window tints, on the other hand, can help regulate the temperature inside the car by reducing the amount of heat that enters through the windows. This can help minimize the temperature differential and prevent condensation from forming on the glass. By using sunshades or window tints, you can reduce the likelihood of foggy windows and create a more comfortable driving environment. Remember, by using anti-fog solutions, keeping the interior dry, and utilizing sunshades or window tints, you can effectively prevent foggy car windows. Implementing these tips will not only enhance your visibility on the road but also contribute to a safer and more enjoyable driving experience. In conclusion, when it comes to defogging car windows, time is of the essence. While there are several methods you can try, the fastest way to defog car windows is by turning on the defogger and setting it to a high temperature. This will activate the car's heating system and help eliminate the moisture on the windows more quickly. Additionally, it is important to keep your car well ventilated by cracking open a window or using the air conditioning in combination with the defogger. Remember to also regularly clean your car's windows, both inside and out, to prevent fog buildup in the first place. By following these simple steps, you can ensure clear visibility and a safe driving experience, even in foggy or humid conditions. That wraps up part 2 of our series on the fastest way to defog car windows. We hope you found these methods and tips helpful for keeping your vehicle's windows clear in various situations. If you've enjoyed this 2-part series and want to stay informed about essential automotive topics, please support us by liking, commenting with your thoughts, sharing these videos with others, and subscribing to our channel. Your engagement inspires us to continue providing you with reliable automotive information. Safe travels, and remember to keep those windows fog-free. Thank you for watching.